If you have an overseas business and want to expand to the UK, watch this video carefully. And here is what most business owners don't realize. In 2023, the UK issued over 337,000 work visas, and of which nearly 200,000 went to skilled workers. Sounds crowded, right? But here is the insider truth. Business expansion routes, like expansion worker visa, only account few thousand applications. That means everyone is fighting over the same overcrowded pathway. And even though there is a VIP lane sitting wide open that could have your UK branch operational in just few months. So the UK expansion worker visa is designed specifically for established businesses like yours. It's your strategic bridge into one of the world's most dynamic markets, and frankly, it's critically underused. If you take the first step today, in few months from now, you will have a fully operational branch in the UK while your competitors are still figuring it out. And this is a powerful immigration route, and it could be your golden ticket into the UK market. So in this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage this powerful route step by step so you can expand into the UK smart way. Let's dive in.
Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at AY&J Listers. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you.
So what exactly is this UK expansion worker visa? Think of it as your VIP pass into the UK business scene. It's actually part of something called the Global Business Mobility Route, and here is why it's a game changer for your UK expansion goals. This visa lets you send your senior managers and specialist employee to the UK to set up your very first branch or subsidiary. It's designed for pivotal employees from overseas companies to come to the UK and lay the foundation for their UK success. Now here is how this route works, and I want you to pay close attention because this is where most people get confused. It's not just a single visa application. There are two crucial stages. Stage 1, which is first, your overseas business needs to secure a UK expansion worker sponsor license. This license is your official permission from the Home Office to bring skilled team members to the UK. And stage 2, then your designated senior employee can apply for the expansion worker visa using a certificate of sponsorship that is issued directly by your sponsor license. It's a beautifully structured route. You are not dependent on anyone else's timeline or priorities. You control the process from start to finish. Now let's talk about the eligibility. How does a business and its employee become eligible for an expansion worker visa? So this visa route is all about genuine expansion, so the Home Office is not taking this lightly. There are strict criteria. Both your overseas business and the employee coming to the UK need to tick several boxes. So first, let's go over the eligibility with your overseas business, and these are the requirements for the company. Number 1, you cannot have any prior active trading presence in the UK. This is the only meant to be your first UK footprint. Number 2 is you need to show a genuine expansion plan. I am talking about a credible laid out plan for setting up and operating a new UK branch. And number 3 is you must provide details of your UK commercial lease or registered office space. Number 4 is you need to show evidence of an active trading outside the UK for more than 3 years. Number 5 is you need to obtain a valid expansion worker sponsor license. This is a part of the application process now, which I will explain bit shortly. Bear with me. Now let's go over to discuss the visa eligibility for your senior employee, which must satisfy, which is also based on a point-based system, exactly scoring the 60 points. Now, how do you get these 60 points for the applicant? Let's talk about that. So the first first 20 points come from the getting the certificate of sponsorship from your company. The next 20 points is if your UK job role is an eligible occupation on the Home Office's approved list. And to get the final 20 points, your offered salary must meet the minimum threshold, which is £45,800 or the going rate for the specific job code, whichever is higher. And that's your 60 points. And along with these three requirements, you must be working in a senior management or a specialist role at least for 1 year in your overseas company. There is no English language requirement for this visa route. And I know all these requirements might feel a little overwhelming, but getting this right is absolutely necessary. But what documents exactly do you need? Don't worry, we have got that covered in this screenshot. So this is the complete detailed document checklist for both the sponsor license and the visa application. Alright, now that you know you are eligible and you got all the documents ready to go, I will guide you through the complete application process for the expansion worker visa route step by step. Step 1 is establish UK presence, register your new UK branch with Companies House and secure registered office, commercial lease or rent agreement for your UK office space. Step 2 is appointing key personnel. So you need to appoint for a 3 key position to manage your sponsor license portal, authorizing officer, key contact level 1 user. These roles are responsible for maintaining active communication with the Home Office. Step 3 is the sponsor license application itself. And this is where you officially apply for your expansion worker sponsor license with all supporting documents. Step 4 is assigning certificate of sponsorship. Once the license is approved, your business can assign a certificate of sponsorship to your senior employee. Step 5 is the visa application. The employee will then complete the visa application online by submitting the necessary document. Step 6 is the biometric appointment itself. And after that, they attend to have a biometric appointment to provide their fingerprints and a photo. Step 7 is the visa approval. Now, you have to wait for the visa approval from the Home Office. They typically make their decision within 3 weeks of the biometric appointment. Step 8 is welcome to the UK. Once his visa is approved, your employee or employees can enter the UK and begin setting up your new UK branch. Your expansion is now officially underway. So now you know how the UK expansion works. In order to expand your overseas business to the UK, the process requires significant investment. So I'm sure you want to know how much all this costs. And here is the full breakdown. The first, to apply for sponsor license, you need to pay the application fees, which is £574 for a small company and £1,579 for a medium to a large company. This application processing usually takes 8 weeks. In case you want a decision faster, you can pay an extra £500 for priority processing, and this will shrink the waiting times to only 10 working days if the Home Office fast track it for you. Next comes the visa application fees, which is £319, and if the senior employee has family dependent, it costs an extra £319 for each dependent. It normally takes 3 weeks to process an expansion worker visa, and again, you have options to expedite this. If you pay an extra £500 for a priority service, you will get the decision within 5 working days, and if you pay a £1,000 extra, you will get a super priority service, and normally decision will get made within next working day. Then you have the immigration health surcharge to access the UK's National Health Service. This service is like for 1 year you pay £1,035 for an adult and £776 for each child. One important thing to note is that all these fees are the UK government fees. The immigration services of AY&J listers are separately charged as part of our service package. So the UK expansion worker represent an incredible opportunity for ambitious overseas business to strategically enter one of the world's most dynamic markets. That's exactly why we specialize in guiding businesses through this process with complete legal compliance and a strategic foresight. If you are ready to expand your business into the UK with complete confidence and want every step handled legally with with your long-term success in mind, it's time to take action. Just book one-on-one strategy call with one of our immigration specialists using the link in the description, and we will discuss your specific business needs and create a customized roadmap for your UK expansion. Have a specific question about your unique situation? If yes, drop them in the comment section below and our legal team will clarify all your queries. If you found this video insightful or useful, give a like and hit that subscribe button now, please. We have got more game-changing insight coming your way, and trust me, you will not want to miss them. Your UK branch office is closer than you think. Let's make it happen, and thank you for watching.